What's up, YouTube? It's the Deacon here. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to hop on here with a little public service announcement. Nothing special. Try to make this quick. Wanted to address something that, especially within the tech industry, something that's been going on for a few months now. That's these hiring freezes. This is no secret. I mean, there's articles all over the place. A lot of the big tech companies aren't necessarily laying people off, but it's definitely a lot of freezing or pauses on hiring. If you've watched my videos, you know that I'm all about strengthening that candidate recruiter relationship, or that working relationship. It's understandable for candidates to not think very highly of recruiters, certain recruiters, and not trust them. I know it doesn't reflect very well on, let's say, a recruiter if you've been preparing for an interview for months or a month or something like that, and then last minute things change. I would say it's probably natural that maybe in these situations you question, like, has this recruiter been truthful with me about this the whole time? Did this recruiter know this was coming? Maybe in normal situations this could be the case. I don't know. It's case by case. But want to be clear about something right now, as I've just finished a few phone calls today telling candidates that, hey, you're not interviewing this week, unfortunately, or you had an offer and now it looks like there's no head count. Right now in this tech space, especially for software engineers, if you're experiencing this, cut your recruiter some slack. We're getting blindsided as well. Where do our frustrations go after something like this happens? We're looking to our leaders, like, what the our team leads or our account managers, things like that. We feel the same way, but surprise, surprise, they're also blindsided. It's kind of like a trickle-down effect. As you keep going further up and further up, no one's really ready for a recession. This is kind of the source of it. These are different times. If you want to blame someone, I'd say at this point, blame a recession. So my advice here, if you're in the job search, you're in the interview process, just be careful about jumping ship, even if you have like a verbal offer or something like that. Just protect yourself, because a lot of things are unpredictable right now. It's based on the economy. It's based on the Fed or the interest rates, whatever. I'm no finance guy. I'm no expert in that. I just watch YouTube videos. But for the sake of not tarnishing your view on whatever recruiter you've been working with that just called you and said, hey, I know we were excited to interview, but it's not going to happen, even if it was like the day before, just know that we're just as frustrated. So that's it. Like the video. It helps me with the algorithm. I want to get this message out. This is a PSA. We all need to hear it. But yeah, thank you for listening. I'm the Deacon. Peace.